Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. So yeah, so today, guys, I'll be analyzing Gbpjpy and also uh Nzdjpy. So first thing first, I would like to start with Gbpjpy. Gbpjpy. So yeah, first thing first, I'm already in my high time frame, right? So my high time frame, I'm just looking at the market structure, how the market is moving. So this is what I'm doing here, and then spotting my current lows and my current highest point. So yeah, so we can see that we're in a we were on a strong bullish trend, right? And Gbpjpy we are on a strong bullish trend, but then the market broke that bullish trend and just when tried to create a very strong bullish trend, right? So and I can see that here we have some sort of a W formation, right? So some people may call it a double bottom, right? So we have a double bottom here. I can see that by doing this here. So we have this here. Uh, right. We have this double bottom, right? So yeah, this is a double bottom. The market firstly came to touch this area, rejected, then went up, then came back to reject again around this area, then went up. But then a double bottom is not complete up until the market retests the neckline, right? The neckline to then continue going up, right? So this is the neckline. So this is the neckline, which we may call a resistance. Then it will be turned to a support when the market comes to retest it, then going up, right? Yeah, and for the market to retest the neckline, obviously it has to break it first, break this area, then come retest it before continuing further up, right? So yeah, so now that we understand that, I would like to remove this. Yeah, so yeah, so on an overall picture here on Gbpjpy, I can see that we are currently seeing buyers coming in strongly in this market, right? We're currently seeing buyers coming in strongly. But first of all, I would like to go to my line chart, so that I can remove all the noises, the wicks and rejections and all and whatnot. So first thing first, my current highest point is this one, and my current lowest point is this one, right? And then now I'm going to mark the areas whereby the market touches, the market reverses on those areas the most, right? So yeah, so first one will be here, right? As you can see, this area was a resistance before, then the market broke, then support, then the market shot up, then it came back to break it, reject it. So right now we're playing around the area, right? So yeah. So and also like to highlight this area here because I can see that we have some multiple touches from the past. So yeah, this area is kind of important. Yeah. And also I would like to highlight this area here because the market, where the market reverses and makes the biggest move, you should know that the market is trying to tell you something on those areas, that there is something important around those areas, right? As you can see here, here. So yeah, guys. So yeah, that's it. So now, I would like to also highlight this area here. Yeah, this area here. And I'd like to go to my forward time frame, right? my 4 item frame, I would like to properly adjust my areas that I have identified, right? So that they fit perfectly. Yeah. Okay, I would like to leave this one. Yeah, just here. This one, yeah, right there. Then I like to adjust this one to somewhere around here. And then this one to somewhere around there. Right. So yeah. And also here I can see that we are in a consolidation type of structure here because the market is just moving in this rectangle in this box here. Yeah, right. I meant to write a rectangular shape, but we're moving in this box here. We're trapped in this box, right? The market hasn't broke above and make the biggest move, and it hasn't broke below to continue with this biggest move that it made here when it came here. So yeah, so I can see that we are in a consolidation area, right? But in this consolidation area, we can also find areas where we can enter the market and capitalize on them, right? So yeah, so I like to remove that from now for now, and then I would like to highlight this area here and this area here, yeah, and this area here, and now I can see that we are in a bearish trend from the past, and I say that it's a bearish trend because uh, the market was making uh, a lower lows and lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. So yeah, so yeah. But now we're currently slightly, no, not like slightly, but we're currently in a bullish trend, right? So we're currently bullish trend, and I say that this is a bullish trend because the market is making higher highs and higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, and higher lows, right? So yeah, mm, just like this. And I would like to highlight areas with the most touches here, like this one, and somewhere around here, and where I am currently, somewhere around there, and somewhere around here. Ah, wait, an alarm. Okay, sorry about that. Let me remove this alarm here. Yeah. So let me go back to my candlesticks. So yeah. So yeah, this is it, guys. As you can see, we're in a bearish trend. We broke, we tested, then we went up, right? But now, what you can see here, we're in a bullish trend, and we're at the top of that bullish trend, right? Okay, I would like to adjust this one to somewhere around here, right? Yeah. And then I would like to go to my 1 hour time frame so that I can see the areas where I could potentially enter this market, right? Okay, so now we can see that the market is somehow forming what we may call uh, an M pattern, right? An M pattern. If it respects this area and rejects around here, then breaks here and retest, then it would be an M pattern. Okay, some people may call it a double top, right? Yeah, it's a double top. So yeah, I like to highlight this zone here. I think there's something important around here. Yeah, I like to highlight that, and I like to also highlight it like this. Okay, yeah. So yeah, guys, as you can see that you are currently in a bullish trend, right? So how to capitalize on this one? So the best thing we can do here is just wait for this market to break above here and give us a retest to then continue pushing to the upside, right? Or we can wait for this market to break below this area here, give us this nice retest before pushing further to the downside. Right. So yeah. So yeah, that's it. It's either we wait for this market to break above this high here, this high here, and then we'll know that the market is ready for buying opportunities to the upside, or we just wait for this market to break this trend line and break around this support structure and give us this nice retest to then push to the downside, right? But let me go to my 30 minutes time frame. I want to see something. I want to just see something for 215M for those scalp entries, for those people who are looking for scalp entries. So as you can see that here we're in some sort of consideration area, right? But as you can see in this consideration area, there is an uptrend here. There is a bullish trend, I mean, and in this bullish trend, you can see that we have this area here, which is kind of important. And the moment we break up below it, give it a retest, we know that we are about to shoot to the downside, right? So it's just that easy, guys. So yeah, that's it. But then I won't enter this trade here. I won't even trade this. Yeah. So the only thing I'll do here, yeah, is just to wait for this market to break above here, give us this nice retest to then shoot to the upside, or come back here, break below around this area, break this trend line, and then give us this nice retest to then shoot to the downside. So yeah, this is my prediction on and on GB on GBP JPY. Numbers below this area here. Yeah. So yeah, this is my prediction on Gbpjpy. But if we come here, And it is evident from the past that the market, when when it rejects these areas here, when it comes to around these areas, it rejects, then shoot to the downside. So what I'll do here uh, is just to take away this, and then knowing that if the market breaks above here, I'll wait for a retest to then buy the market. But I'm not going to do that for now. I'm just completely going to wait for this market to break up below, to break below this area, give us this nice retest and then shoot to the downside. Why am I doing that? It's because the market, when it comes around this zone here, it rejects, then shoot to the downside. As you can see from the past, then it came here, reject, then made an M pattern, which is a double top from the past. So you can see that when it comes here, it creates some sort of a double, what we call, is it like double top? Yeah, double top formation, right? So this, what happened here, we can expect to happen again here, right? Right here. It's just that now it's a little bit wider, right? So yeah, so this is what I'll wait for on Gbpjpy. I'll wait for this market to break below this support structure, give us this nice retest to then shoot to the downside. So yeah, that's it for Gbpjpy. So yeah, that's it for Gbpjpy. And let me go to Nzdjpy, right? So yeah, Nzdjpy. So first thing first, daily time frame, and then just look at this market structure. I know this is the same as the one we just saw on Gbpjpy, right? So with that knowledge in mind, I know that okay, I should be looking for the same thing that I saw on Gbpjpy, because these pairs, they are completely, they are like exactly the same for me. Yeah. So this is my high, no, this is my current highest point here. My current highest point is here, right? Line chart. Current highest point. And then this will be my lowest point. And then now highlighting the areas whereby the market touches, the market reverses the most. So these are those areas. I think there's a lot of sensitivity around here. And here, here, and here, right? For a time frame. Now I'm adjusting my zones. I like to put on this one here and adjust this one to somewhere around here. Then this one, I think it's fine there. And I think it's fine there too. And then this one somewhere around here. Yeah. So yeah, as you can see, guys, that here we were also in a bearish trend, right? And then the market broke that bearish trend, retested it, then continued going up, right? This is the bearish trend. As you can see that the market was making lower lows and lower highs. And now the market here is currently making higher highs and higher lows. Okay, let me just do this. Sorry. Ah, come on. Why did I do that? Okay, let me just do this. And just do this. So yeah, I have to go to my candlesticks. Just this zone nicely. And so yeah, let me firstly highlight the areas with the most sensitivity in the market, like these areas and like these areas here. And areas like this here, where we are currently playing at, and also this one. To go to my 1 hour time frame line chart, just wanna, yeah. Let me place this one somewhere around here. Something happening here. So yeah, guys, as you can see here, we're in a bullish trend, right? We're making higher highs, high lows, high highs, high lows, high lows, high lows, high, right? And here we can see that the market is currently rejecting around this zone here. Like we had this first touch, second touch, and this third touch, right? This third touch, and this third touch is acting like a fake out, right? It's like a fake out. Why I'm saying it's a fake out? It's a fake out because the market just went up, then now it's coming back uh, around these areas here. So if you can go to our 4 hour time frame, you can see properly here that this is indeed a fake out. It was just a weak rejection, right? It was just a weak rejection. So what we can anticipate here is that the market could do something like this, right? So the market could come back around this zone here, come back around this zone, come back here, break this area, to then retest it to shoot to the downside. Or the market can actually break above this area here, what we call the fake out, and retest there to then continue shooting to the upside, right? Can break around this above this area here, right? So yeah, but I don't see that happening for now. So I'd like to remove this and only leave this. So yeah, So I know these two types of pairs that I just analyzed, they are like different. Is the British pound against the Japanese yen, and here is the New Zealand dollar against the Japanese yen. But if you can see the structure of these markets, it's it's the same thing for me. It's the same thing. So I can't be expecting the other one to sell, then expect the other one to buy, right? So if I'm expecting the other one to sell, I should also expect the other one to sell again, because to me they are the same. They are like the same. The structure is the same, right? Yeah. The pairs might be different, like Nzdjpy, Gbpjpy, but the structure is the same for me. So I'm expecting this one to come back around here, break this what we can call a, a higher low. Yeah, break this higher low and form a lower low to then push and make a lower high to then sell to the downside. So yeah, this is my current prediction NZGPY. And guys, it's important for your setup to make you wait, because if some people may just want to enter here, they will like, the market is coming back to this structure here, so let me just enter my sales and then hold them to this downside. Then they put their stop losses above here, right? But then the market has a high probability of coming back here, right? Because the market can still do this, right? It can still push push above here, break this area to then retest, to then continue pushing to the upside, because we are currently in a bullish trend and buyers are obviously going to be more stronger than the sellers here. But then the best thing to do is to just wait, right? Is to just wait for either this market to just break. Let's just say it's just break above here, give us this nice retest to then take those strong buying opportunities, right? Wait for it to break above here so that you can take those strong buying opportunities, or we just wait for this market to break below this area here to then scalp the sales to the downside. So yeah, guys, that's it for this video, guys. That's it for this video. Um, hope to see you in the next one. So yeah, this is Nzdjpy, and this should be Gbpjpy. Yeah. So yeah, guys, that's it for this video. Peace out.